show, pal. We hope you thoroughly enjoy yourselves while you're here.
Here you go.
It's a fun place, so just have a great time.
No, we'll get it.
Now, before we get going, a little bit about safety for you folks, so please pay attention.
No, buddy, I'm just picking on
You need to stay right where you're at until this show is over. Do not get out on the street. You get out in the street, we do two things. Stop the show and shoot you. Now to have your attention, if you have small children or babies, you might want to cover up their ears. It gets pretty noisy out here. If you have a hearing aid, to your advantage, turn it down a notch or two. If you do not like loud noises but want to watch the show, God gave you a finger on your hand. You know where you can put them. If you have pets, hang on to your pets. It is very embarrassing to have your chihuahua drag you down Main Street during a gunfight. The only time you're ever going to be this close and up personal to gunfire is, so please, your safety is our main concern. Please stay where you're at till the show's over. We'll let those folks get settled down there a little bit.
Ready?
You folks that are standing down at the end of town there, you might want to make just a little opening between you, let the bullets go through.
Or I go through you.
All right. Sit back. Enjoy